Ever wondered how to take care of your feet at home? Well, you're not alone. Many of us neglect our feet, even though they do so much for us every day. They carry us around, support our weight, and often bear the brunt of our activities, but we rarely give them the care they deserve. Common foot issues like dry, cracked heels can be more than just unsightly. They can be uncomfortable, even painful. But there's a solution: foot balm. A good foot balm can help soothe and heal dry, cracked skin, and using one made from natural ingredients can offer additional benefits. Ingredients like shea butter, beeswax, coconut oil, and jojoba oil are known for their moisturizing and healing properties. And when you add essential oils, you get fragrance and therapeutic benefits too. So ready to whip up your very own foot balm? It's easier than you might think. Before we start, gather all your ingredients. You'll need shea butter, beeswax pellets, virgin coconut oil, golden jojoba oil, and your choice of essential oils. Shea butter and coconut oil are our superstars for moisturizing. Beeswax adds the perfect texture, while golden jojoba oil ensures everything absorbs beautifully into your skin. Essential oils? They're not just for a lovely scent, they also pack a punch with added therapeutic benefits. Got everything? Great. Now let's get to the fun part. First, melt the shea butter, beeswax pellets, coconut oil, and jojoba oil over low heat in a double boiler. Keep stirring until fully melted. This melting process allows these 4 power-packed ingredients to blend harmoniously, creating a nourishing base for our foot balm. Shea butter, known for its intense moisturizing properties, works in synergy with the beeswax to form a protective barrier on your skin. Meanwhile, coconut oil and jojoba oil, both celebrated for their hydrating and healing properties, work their magic to revive those dry and cracked heels. Now, once everything is melted and mixed together, take the mixture off the heat and let it cool slightly. This is a crucial step, as it ensures that the heat doesn't damage the therapeutic benefits of our next ingredient, the essential oils. When the mixture is cool enough, add in 10 to 15 drops of your chosen essential oils. Stir it all together to combine. Not only do these oils add a lovely fragrance, but they also bring their own unique healing properties to the table, making this foot balm a true pampering treat for your feet. Next, carefully pour this liquid gold into clean, sterilized containers. You can use small tins or jars for this purpose. Let the balm cool and solidify completely before sealing the containers. This step allows the balm to set into a smooth, creamy texture that's easy to apply. That's it! You've made your very own foot balm, but how do you use it? Using your homemade foot balm is easy. Simply scoop a small amount and massage it into your feet, especially on the heels and other dry areas. Now here's a little tip for you. Use your foot balm right after you've had a bath or shower. The warm water will have softened your skin, which makes the balm absorb better and work its magic. And if you want to give your feet an extra treat, apply the balm before you go to bed, then slip on a pair of cotton socks. This creates a kind of mini spa for your feet while you sleep, and you'll wake up with super soft, pampered feet. Remember, consistency is key. Regular use of your foot balm will help keep your feet moisturized and aid in the healing of any cracks. So give it a try and don't forget to share your experience. Happy pampering!